What's up, guys? Welcome back. In this video, I want to talk about employee incentives, right? So, as we all know, employees is the lifeblood of our business. So, in order to keep them around and keep them motivated and keep them going to grow your cleaning company, I suggest you take employee incentives very, very serious, right? So, here are a few examples of some incentives. Performance bonus. So, if they go over and above constantly, reward them with a bonus. A simple thank you, appreciation, I appreciate you, a gift card. A lunch provided by an employer for staff meeting or staff appreciation day. Performance recognition. Recognize them when they do a great job and recognize them in front of the people. A lot of people, because people do more for recognition than for money. That's a proven fact. And especially in this cleaning industry, people will do more for recognition than do for money. A simple handwritten note, thank you, a card. This is something I do for all my guys. Like, send them on a business seminar paid for by me, and they get paid time off work, and they also give them a stipend for lunch and put them in a nice hotel room. That does a lot because they get to meet different business owners, and then they get to network and bring back some of what they learned at the event, and also what some of the other managers and building leads and operational managers are doing in their certain part of the country. Also, company picnics, have picnics for them. Branded gear, offer them a free swag branded with your company name on it. Coffee mugs, water bottles. Perfect attendance. If they become perfect attendance every month, every 3 months, it needs to be some kind of recognition for that. Also, if they're reliable, reward them with a flexible schedule. It could be unlimited sick leave. And definitely, this is something that made a really big difference in my company and also helped change that culture, was Employee of the Month. Employee of the Month, it goes very, very well amongst the team, right? And then also I did something was called Employee of the Quarter. And then that Employee of the Quarter, they would get a chance to go on that business seminar with the building leads and the operational managers. So whoever got the Employee of the Quarter, so it would be 3 of them. So they would get a chance to go with the lead, the managers, paid seminars off on my dime. Also, end of the year party. So this is something I mix at the end of the year party. I do something called profit sharing. And profit sharing is you incentivize them and award them and give them a percentage of your company's profit. So for me, it's 10% of the profit gets split up between all the workers, right? So the amount awarded is based on a company's earning over a set period of time, usually once a year. Unlike employee bonuses, profit sharing only apply when the company sees a profit. So this is the goal. This is the deal. If we see a profit, you guys get 10% of that profit. And let me tell you what that does, right? You don't have to babysit anyone. You don't have to worry about if they're calling off on you, right? Because if they need to be off, they will let you know, but they will let the other team members know, say, hey, I need you to cover tonight because I'm not feeling well, I won't be in, and they'll cover for each other, and the job gets done. So now you will have however many people on your team, they'll all be invested into seeing your company grow and seeing that they do a very great job for the company because they're invested. So if you could do profit sharing, it don't have to be 10%, it could be 5%, anything, and try to mix it in at the end of the year party, right before Christmas, right before the holidays, because it's a great time to give them that extra profit that they will look forward to. And I'm telling you, you'll have 3, 4, 5, 10 bosses. So definitely add the profit sharing into it. It makes a really big difference. So, all right, guys, I hope that helped. I'll see you guys in the next video.